Here we have some spark plug sockets. Get them at 1A Auto. They're all 3/8 drive. This is a specialty socket for a BMW, 5/8 magnetic tip. Then we have a 9/16. This is great on some of the thin wall Fords. The 9/16, 3/8 drive. Nice thin walled socket. This looks like a 12-point with a magnet tip, 3/8 drive. And we have a nice little swivel, 9/16, thin wall, 6-point. It's a great angle. And then we have this one that we actually got for our little mini coupe that we have here. It's a specialty spark plug. Fits right in there, nice and safe for the spark plugs. If you need these tools or any other tools, click on 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.